Getting approved can feel random, like one lender says yes and another says no for no reason. But credit is more like baking. A cake does not rise because you wished hard enough. It rises because the right ingredients went in the right order. Your credit report is the recipe lenders read before they trust you. First, clean the report. Think of your credit report like a school report card. If the teacher wrote that you missed 10 homework assignments by mistake, you would not just accept it. You would ask for it to be fixed. Disputing errors means challenging information that may be wrong, outdated, mixed up, or not fully reported correctly. Here is the sneaky part. Lenders usually do not see your balance every day. They see the balance that reports, often around the statement closing date. That is like taking a photo of your grocery cart at checkout. If the cart looks overloaded in the photo, lenders may think you are stretched, even if you pay it later. A thin credit file is like a restaurant with only one review. Maybe it is good, but there is not much proof yet. A stronger file has age, payment history, and different account types. Revolving credit means a card you can use and pay down. An installment loan means fixed payments, like a car loan or credit builder loan. Together, they show more experience. Utilization means how much of your credit limit you are using. If your card limit is $1,000 and your statement reports $300, that is 30%. For strong approval energy, aim to have under 10% report on the statement closing date. It is like showing up to a job interview calm, neat, and prepared. Now comes the part most people rush. Do not spray applications everywhere like throwing spaghetti at a wall. Start with soft pull pre-qualification when possible. A soft pull is a check that usually does not hurt your score. Then match lenders to your profile. Some like newer files, some want older history. Some are picky about recent late payments or collections. Think of approvals like rolling a snowball. Start where you are most likely to get a yes. That first yes can add a new account, more available credit, and more positive payment history over time. But too many hard inquiries can look like panic shopping. A hard inquiry is when a lender checks your credit after you apply, and other lenders may see it. The score matters, but it is not the whole movie. Your report tells a story about risk. Are the facts accurate? Are balances low? Is there enough history? Are payments on time? Are applications planned? When you follow the recipe in order, you stop begging the system to like you. You start presenting a cleaner, stronger, easier to approve story.